today's our topic is how to make a adjustment to the kitchen. This is our topic with a bucket and a AC fan. I will show you when I cut this. I will show you the fan. Now we have to cut this. We don't need this, friends. We need this. This is we fit here the edge. That is the CPU fan, like this. There AC fan, that is we can fit here, and here a big hole, and it will absorb the heat and go out the cold. It absorbs the colder and go out the heat. Now let's see, friends. See, friends, this is the 12 volts to 30H and to AC wall AC fan. This is, see, friends, 230 watt AC fan. I cool. Now we like this. We have to put here. See, friends, like this. Now we have to cut this. I first will cut this. See, friends, I cutted this. Now we have to put this. See, friends, here. See, friends, I made this hole, and I made the holes with screw, friends. Here, like this, I will fit here screws, friends. Now let's see. These are the screws, that screws. Now turn back. now let's see. I fitted here in my kitchen. This is fitted. It's moving. Very comfortable this is. So we cannot put here like this. And at that time it will very easy. It is easy to make, friends. Please make. It is very easy. Friends, this is the protection for the birds or anything come from friends. It will absorb the air. It is the protection of friends. And take the drill machine and mark these points and holes, friends. Like this. I fitted first on the friends. There is a fan I only made with this bucket. We made the adjustable fan. This is the connection. So it will come on the kitchen. We have to. This is the protection, friends. We have fit like this. And this. Now let's do the fit. This take screw, friends. Screw and a watching. The screwdriver also.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Sequence like this. And take another screw. See friends, this is the fan. I connected the wire in this. It will goes to the switch on. Let's on, friends. See friends, it is working, friends. This is inside when we cook. This heat goes out, friends. This is the adjustable fan with doing with the waste material, friends. This is means bucket is a waste material. This is available in a scrap also. This is available, or we can buy this. It is the waste. From waste we are doing. Screws are available in our home, and this is the electricity supply is there in this. And this it goes inside and goes to the switch, friends. Kitchen switches. This is very comfortable and very easy, friends. You can also make this. And outside this is there now, friends. Frame. It will not observe any birds, mosquitoes. Also, it will not come, friends, when the fan is on. See friends, this like videos many more I have to make means please subscribe my channel and please like and share to